Fidgets I recommend and don't recommend. Let's start with what I recommend first. Simple Dimples. I love Simple Dimples. They are just the best. I also recommend Neatos. I love Neatos. This one's super nice and just awesome. Infinity Cubes are really fun to play with. I love the pink and blue ones. They're really nice. Mochis. I love Mochis. You can press them individually and then you can squish them all together. Now, stuff I do not recommend. A snapper. I don't like snappers that much. They're just not that fun, and it's kind of hard to like snap them. These type of spinners, they're just not very fun, so I don't know. Stress squishies, they're too hard and they're just like, I don't know. I feel like only old people use these. Finger rings. I don't like finger rings. And lastly, pea poppers. They break too easily and their faces are just kind of weird. Bye!